Do you feel like you don't speak enough Hebrew? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
Hi everyone, good to see you again. I'm Yara, and today we're going to be doing 10 lines you need for introducing yourself in Hebrew. So let's start. Shmi Yara. My name is Yara. Okay, this one is the most basic. Shmi Yara. My name is Yara. Shmi means my name, and it's the same for men and women. You should know, though, this is a bit formal. The casual way of introducing yourself is saying קוראים לי יערה, which literally means something like I'm called יערה. שלום, נעים להכיר אותך. Hello, it's nice to meet you. שלום, נעים להכיר אותך. Hello, it's nice to meet you. You say this when you're talking to a male. Otherwise, it's שלום, נעים להכיר אותך. אני מישראל. I'm from Israel. אני מישראל. I'm from Israel. You can obviously change that. I'm from Italy would be אני מאיטליה. I'm from America will be אני מאמריקה. אני גרה בירושלים. I live in Jerusalem. אני גרה בירושלים. I live in Jerusalem. I said the female form. The male form would be אני גר בירושלים. This verb, אני גרה, גר, it doesn't mean to live like to exist, but to live in a place. So, אני גרה בירושלים. אני לומדת עברית כבר שנה. I've been learning Hebrew for a year. אני לומדת עברית כבר שנה. I've been learning Hebrew for a year. For a male it would be אני לומד עברית כבר שנה. אני בת 27. I'm 27 years old. אני בת 27. I'm 27 years old. For a male, אני בן 27. אני מורה. I'm a teacher. אני מורה. I'm a teacher. Or for a male, אני מורה. You obviously don't have to say that if you're not a teacher. אחד התחביבים שלי הוא קריאה. One of my hobbies is reading. אחד התחביבים שלי הוא קריאה. One of my hobbies is reading. This sentence stays the same for male and for female speaker. אני נהנית להאזין למוזיקה. I enjoy listening to music. אני נהנית להאזין למוזיקה. I enjoy listening to music. For male speaker, אני נהנה להאזין למוזיקה. גדלתי בתל אביב. I grew up in Tel Aviv. גדלתי בתל אביב. I grew up in Tel Aviv. This sentence stays the same for a male and for a female speaker. Obviously, if you grew up somewhere else, you can also say גדלתי בניו יורק. I grew up in New York. Or גדלתי בפריז. I grew up in Paris. Okay, so these were 10 lines you need for introducing yourself in Hebrew. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! One of my hobbies is reading.
Welcome to HebrewPod101.com's עברית ב3 דקות, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Hebrew. שלום, אני יאנה. נעים מאוד. Hi, I'm Yana. It's a pleasure to meet you. In this series, we're going to learn basic Hebrew expressions. It's super easy, and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Hebrew. In Hebrew, there is no formal and informal language. You can use this introduction in both cases and keep it simple. However, in Hebrew, there is a difference between male and female language. Let's first see how Israeli people introduce themselves in a simple way. Shalom, ani Yana. Na'im meod. Hi, I'm Yana. It's a pleasure. Shalom, ani Yana. Na'im meod. Start by saying Shalom, ani, Then say your name. Shalom, ani Yana. Finally say na'im me'od. Shalom, ani Yana. Na'im me'od. And now let's see the same sentence if you wish to be more specific in addressing the person you are introduced to. If you're introducing yourself to a woman, you should say, Shalom, ani Yana. Na'im me'od lehakir otach. Hi, I'm Yana. It's a pleasure to meet you. Shalom, ani Yana. Na'im me'od lehakir otach. If you are talking to a man, you should say, Shalom, ani Yana. Na'im me'od lehakir otcha. Hi, I'm Yana. It's a pleasure to meet you. Shalom, ani Yana. Na'im me'od lehakir otcha. So, what has changed from the previous introduction? Let's take a close look at this together. The last part of the introduction has been changed based on the gender of the person you are talking to. Shalom, ani Yana. Na'im me'od lehakir otach. For a woman, versus Shalom, ani Yana. Na'im me'od lehakir otcha. For a man. Ani, in this case, has not been changed, and in both cases stands for I am, regardless of your gender. The last sounds of the last word changes, however. Otach, if you are talking to a woman, and otcha, if you are speaking to a man. One more time. The simple way to introduce yourself in Hebrew is Shalom, ani Yana, na'im me'od. In case you want to personalize the greeting, you say Shalom, ani Yana, na'im me'od lehakir otach. Shalom, ani Yana, na'im me'od lehakir otcha. Now it's time for Yana's insights. When you introduce yourself, it's a good habit to shake hands in Israel. If you don't want to worry about using the right word for men and women, just say na'im me'od, as I said at the beginning of this lesson. There is no cultural importance if you add the last part to the introduction. It just makes the sentence more complete. Do you know how to say thank you in Hebrew? You will learn how to say this and many other words in the next lesson. Ad הפעם הבאה, till next time.
Hey everyone, Alicia here. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, we'll learn conversational phrases to answer the question, how's your mother? After watching this video, you'll be able to talk about well-being and ask how someone is doing. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Conversation About Family Well-Being PDF cheat sheet for free. Now let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
מה שלום אמא שלך?
שלומה טוב.
Once more with the English translation.
מה שלום אמא שלך?
How's your mother?
שלומה טוב.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's,
מה שלום אמא שלך?
listen to it again.
מה שלום אמא שלך? מה שלום אמא שלך?
This Hebrew sentence literally means, what is the well-being of your mother? But it translates as, how's your mother, in English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is,
שלומה.
state of well-being. This Hebrew sentence literally means, her well-being is, state of well-being. But it translates as, she is state of well-being, in English. For example, she's fine.
שלומה טוב. שלומה טוב.
Here are a few expressions related to well-being that you can use with this pattern. Great.
מצוין. מצוין.
Fine.
טוב. טוב.
So-so.
ככה ככה. ככה ככה.
Not good.
לא טוב. לא טוב.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
מה שלום אמא שלך? שלומה מצוין. מה שלום אמא שלך? שלומה ככה ככה. מה שלום אמא שלך? שלומה לא טוב.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, "How's your mother?"
מה שלום אמא שלך?
Imagine she's great. Do you remember how to say, "Great"?
מצוין. מצוין.
Say, "She's great."
שלומה מצוין.
Now, answer the question saying she's great.
מה שלום אמא שלך? שלומה מצוין.
Now imagine she's so-so. Do you remember how to say so-so?
ככה ככה. ככה ככה.
Say, "She's so-so."
שלומה ככה ככה.
Now, answer the question saying she's so-so.
מה שלום אמא שלך? שלומה ככה ככה.
Now imagine she's not good. Do you remember how to say not good?
לא טוב. לא טוב.
Say, "She's not good."
שלומה לא טוב.
Now, answer the question saying she's not good.
מה שלום אמא שלך? שלומה לא טוב.
In this lesson, you learn new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk about well-being. You're now able to talk about how someone is feeling like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell me how you are today. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye! Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.